Hi guys, welcome to तू चल मैं आता हूँ video. So this is the famous dialogue of the story of Crow and the Squirrel. If you remember, then we have read this story in our school days, and this is what exactly happening in this lockdown, guys. And moral of the story was nothing but don't be lazy. So in this video, I'll talk about the three major pointers which is based on this dialogue only, guys. So as Maharashtra Law City 3 years 2020, just 60 days are left for the exam. 60 days are remaining. And most of the people have not yet started even the preparation for the exam, though they have filled the form for the exam, but preparation wise they are at zero band because of the lockdown. So let's quickly see all three pointers which is based on तू चल मैं आता हूँ. Before that, we have launched the MH Law City 3 years 2020 online e-classes batch, which is starting from 26th of April. So those who want to join, you can directly contact to this number, and the link for the joining I have given the description, so check the description. Also there is a demo session on 24th of April, guys, so you can register yourself for the demo, but also do call and check availability of the seats, because approximate 30 seats has been booked for the demo. So kindly see the availability of the seats for the demo session, guys, which is on 24th of April. You can call on this number and check the availability. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है विच इज नथिंग बट द लॉकडाउन इटसेल्फ. लॉकडाउन तो इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ हो गया है, डिक्शनरी में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाला वर्ड डेफिनेटली लॉकडाउन ही होगा. सो एज आई हैव गॉट मोर देन 30 to 35 कॉल्स, सर आई हैव फिल्ड द फॉर्म फॉर द CET, बट एक बार लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए देन आई विल स्टार्ट माई प्रिपरेशन फॉर द CET. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वाई यू पीपल आर वेटिंग टू फिनिश द लॉकडाउन, एज एग्जाम डेट इज फिक्स विच इज़ ऑन 28th of June. 28th of June को आपका एग्जाम फिक्स है. इसमें भी लोगों को डाउट है कि सर एग्जाम पोस्टपोन्ड होगा क्या, या जून एंड है, ऑलमोस्ट जुलाई आ जाएगा. मोस्टली आपका ये एग्जाम डेफिनेटली होगा, पोस्टपोन तो नहीं होगा. दिस इज व्हाट माय इंट्यूशन. सो दोज हु आर विद दिस माइंडसेट, they will end up with the three mistake. Mistake number one, those who are waiting कि lockdown finish हो then I'll start my preparation. First of all, we don't know when the lockdown get finished. Second, if you are waiting to finish the lockdown, which means you are wasting your time, guys. So if you remember, एक बार 21 days का लॉकडाउन हुआ, उसके बाद 3rd of May तक लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो गया. वी डोंट नो व्हेन इट्स गेट फिनिश, बट इट इज़ फॉर श्योर कि आपका लॉ सिटी का एग्जाम 28 of June को होगा. थर्ड एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो मैक्सिमम रिसर्च के बाद आया हुआ है, पीपल आर फीलिंग द गार्बेज इन हिज और हर ब्रेन. So you people are sitting at home watching the YouTube, Netflix and doing the unproductive work, guys. And because of this, you are feeling the garbage in your brain, guys, which ultimately hamper in your preparation. So these three are the major 3 pointers which will hamper for all the aspirant, those who are waiting to finish the lockdown and not yet started their preparation. Pointer number 2, sir, I am waiting my friend to start the preparation. After then, I also start my preparation. This is again तू चल मैं आता हूँ. So one was lockdown get finished, then I'll come for the preparation, and second is what, my friend will start the preparation, then I'll start my preparation. So those who are with this mindset, they will commit the two mistake. Mistake number one, you don't know your friend's career goal, guys. Why he is doing the law, you don't know about it. So it's always advised, be in the safer zone. Look at your career, your goal, not your friends. Second, how serious he or she is about his career or his law city 3 years preparation, you don't know about it. He might be thinking to getting into the E grade or D grade college for his or her law program. But अगर आपको GLC जाना है या ILS पुणे जाना है, then you have to start your preparation. You cannot bank on your friend to start your preparation. So this is what the second pointer, guys, which is happening in this lockdown. Third, and which is nothing but the combination of the pointer number 1 and pointer number 2. First, they are becoming the lazy, lethargic और sluggish. Innovation और productivity नाम की चीज़ ही नहीं रह गई है. Almost zero से negative में चला गया mind. So you have to come out from this, guys, and ये तभी होगा when you start working on your preparation part. आप थोड़ा सा busy हो गए, you will involve yourself in terms of some workout, in terms of your preparation, right? And yeah, look at from the point number 1 से मैंने आपको 2 vocab भी सिखा दिए, guys. Lethargic and sluggish दोनों एग्जाम में आए हुए आपके वर्ड्स हैं, so it might repeat in the exam. Second, drastic fall in your productivity in terms of your preparation. This is what the again happening, because you are feeling lazy to work, तो वो आपके productivity में definitely hamper कर रहा है. So this is what the second point. Third, you are aimless, wasting your precious time in this lockdown. मतलब ये तो मुझे काफ़ी स्टूडेंट से कॉल आया, सर डिमोटिवेशन आ रहा है, एमलेस फील हो रहा है. सो माई सिंपल एडवाइस टू ऑल ऑफ देम इज व्हाट, आपकी मॉर्निंग से लेकर के इवनिंग तक की स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ. फेज वाइज आपकी प्रिपरेशन को डिवाइड करो. यू कैन अटेंड माई डेमो लेक्चर ऑल्सो. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्जाम. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन विल आस्क इन द एग्जाम. एंड ऑल्सो देर आर मेनी वीडियोज अवेलेबल ऑन योर यूट्यूब रिगार्डिंग द MS Law CET past year paper analysis. You can go through all those and you can strategize your preparation. Pointer number 4 is very very important, lack of competition. If you are preparing by yourself only, अकेले घर पे prepare कर रहे हो, then you will not find the competition. The moment you won't find the competition, you will think यार मैं सबसे बड़ा हीरो हूँ. and the way I am preparing, I will top in the CT exam. This is what you feel, guys. So unless you will not fall into the competition, you cannot evaluate yourself, right? So that is why if you are preparing with the group of people, those who are preparing for the same exam, same competition, you will understand where you stand. So that is why we have launched batch which is on 26th of April को चालू हो रही है. If you have not enrolled for this batch, you can enroll for this online batch. दिस इज द ऑनलाइन ई क्लासेस बैच जहाँ पे आपको घर पे ही बैठना है, लाइव कनेक्ट होना है हमसे, एंड वी विल प्रिपेयर फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 मंथ फॉर आवर सीटी एग्जाम. जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा हो रहा है डीमोटिवेशन. If you don't have any competition, don't have any aim, then you start feeling demotivated, and because of that you will destroy your preparation and your career also. Because law CT का एग्जाम साल में एक ही बार आता है, एक ही बार एंट्रेंस लिखना है, एंड उसके स्कोर पे ही डिपेंड करेगा आपको कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा. So don't waste your time, guys. Prepare very well in this next 2 months so that you end up with the best law college for your law program. So I hope this video will be helpful. Don't wait for anyone, don't wait, lockdown gets over, and remember the dialogue, तू चल मैं आता हूँ. So the moral of the story is what? Don't be lazy, don't bank on someone to take the decision, otherwise ultimately होगा क्या कि you will be the responsible for your decision and your career, guys. So be careful about your decisions. So once again, those who want to join for this 3 years online e-classes batch, kindly contact to this number, and this is what the admission and inquiry timing, guys. Do call on this time only. For any query and doubt, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.